Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to complete exercises of chapter number 3, A Tale of Two Bullocks. So, A. Number the sentences in order of events in the story. So, first number, Zuri sent Hira and Moti to his father-in-law's house. Second, Hira and Moti felt insulted when they were given only dry straw to eat. Then, third, Gaya came to Zuri's house and took the bullocks back. Then, fourth, Gaya treated the bullocks very harshly because they had run away. Then, fifth, Bharo's daughter helped Hira and Moti to escape. Sixth one, they began grazing in a pea field, sometimes stopping to listen for people coming. Seventh, Hira and Moti finally managed to run away and were reunited with Juri. Then answer the questions in few lines. So first question, give two examples of the deep friendship that existed between Hira and Moti. Then answer, Hira and Moti shared a deep friendship. They had lived together for a long time and they spoke to each other in their silent language. It shows that they understood each other. When the two bullocks escaped from Gaya's house and were running from villagers, they did not leave one another behind. Moti's feet got stuck in a soggy field. Seeing this, Hira hurried back to help his friend despite the risk of being captured by the villagers. So ये जो एग्जाम्पल्स है इससे हमें पता चल जाता है कि उनमें बहुत अच्छी फ्रेंडशिप थी. Then, second question, how did Hira and Moti express their affection for each other? Answer, Hira and Moti expressed their affection through various physical gestures. They would lick and nuzzle each other to relieve stress after a long day of work. They also engage in a playful behavior such as locking horns, not in hostility but like friends who playfully pummel each other. They were very close and loved each other. At mealtime, they ate oil seeds and cake and straw from manger side by side. Then third question, how different was the treatment received by Hira and Moti at their master's house from that at Gaya's house? And answer, the treatment received by Hira and Moti at Zuri's house was much different than at Gaya's house. Zuri was a kind man. He took good care of them and fed them grains and oilseed cakes. They were shown consideration and love by their master. Hira and Moti were beaten, given inadequate food, and mistreated by him. Then, next question, fourth question. What made the little girl in the story sympathize with Hira and Moti? The little girl sympathized with Hira and Moti because she too faced hardship her life. Her mother had died and her stepmother often beaten her. She could feel what the bullocks were going through when they were beaten and she felt sorry for them. So she helped them by secretly feeding them bread. Then next, how did Hira sacrifice his chance of freedom to save Moti? Answer, Hira sacrificed his chance of freedom by dashing back to Moti when Moti's feet got stuck in the soggy pea field. He did not leave Moti behind and instead got caught with him. This incident shows Hira's love and loyalty for his comrade Moti. Then next question. Why do you think Zuri's wife came and kissed the bullock's forehead even though she had been angry with them earlier? Answer, Zuri's wife had a change of heart. At first, she was angry at them for running away from her brother's house. But after knowing what they went through there and seeing them return again to Zuri, her feelings softened. She embraced them with love and kissed them on their heads. She understood the deep bond among Hira, Moti, and Zuri and realized that the bullocks were a part of her family too. This act signifies a recognition of their value and loyalty. Then fill in the blanks with the given words from the story. So first sentence, the parents always cautioned me against letting strangers into the house. Then second, overcome with hunger and fatigue, the traveler collapsed on the road. Third, the Chinese statue, a family heirloom, was discovered to be a fake at the auction. Then fourth, the two warring nations decided to end the hostility between them and work towards peace. Fifth, the dog was so hungry that he kept trying to gnaw at the bone. Then sixth, the wise old man stroked his beard and smiled at us. मैं ना नंबर जो है वो ऊपर लिखे है तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि कौन सा नंबर कहाँ पर डालना है. Then fill in the blank with the present or past participle form of the given verbs. My friend called to share an interesting story last month. I could hardly understand his hurried words at the time. Earlier that day, he had to push his damaged car to the nearest garage for repair. While waiting for his turn, he noticed a young Avedon puppy, its charming puppy eyes on my friend's heart. He wanted to give the pup a loving home. That is how I ended up being a thrilled pet owner. Then next page. Rewrite the sentences after correcting the errors. Then the tiger with stripes on its body are one of the fiercest animal in the jungle. तो यहाँ पर आर निकाल के आपको डालना है is. तो वो कैसे हो जाएगा? The tiger with stripes on its body is one of the fiercest animal in the jungle. Then next, each of the 10 performers have निकालना है has a different costume. Third, the grandfather walks for an hour every day. Then everyone in the office, यहाँ पे लिखा है heard the news, यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है आपको? heard the news. Then fifth, I did not know that he was sick. Knew की जगह पे डालना है no. I did not know that he was sick. Sixth, John has came late to school today. क्या लिखना है यहाँ पर? John has come late to school today.